In this video, I'm going to show you how to have the most fun at-home baby shark birthday party with cake, decor, and lots of games. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be jumping into my daughter's adorable second birthday. Now, she told me she wanted to have a baby shark birthday, and I love this theme. I think it is so cute. I love having at-home birthdays because they're fun, they're affordable, and I just feel like you get to have so much more time with your kids. This week, I'll show you how I made a ton of party decor, crafts, games that are all great for kids that are age 2 to 8. Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a mom of 3 kids who taught herself how to DIY, and I'm here to show you how to make your house beautiful and function great for your family. I'm getting my backdrop ready for Sabrina's birthday party, and so since we're doing baby shark, I just got these little balloons. I thought they were really cute. I'm gonna make like an under the water kind of scene for her. I think she'll like really enjoy it when she sees it. So these are the balloons, and they're actually so much bigger than I thought they were gonna be, but they're really cute. These foil balloons are great. I always get them for the birthdays because they're just really easy to inflate, and you can like stick them up on the wall. There's usually like a little hole for a string, or you can tape them up. And I've got my balloon pump. If you don't have a balloon pump yet, I highly recommend getting one, especially if you have kids and you do a lot of birthday parties. It is extremely useful. This inexpensive balloon pump has paid for itself. It's so easy to make balloon garlands, and I have 3 kids, so we use it a lot. I'll link it below. So with these balloons, there's like this little valve that you have to put the straw in, and it comes with a straw as well. And like I said, you can blow them up by mouth. It just takes a long time. And these balloons are self-sealing, so you don't need to tie a knot or anything either. I'm also doing kind of like a balloon garland, so this is when the balloon pump is actually super handy. If you don't have this, I don't think that there's any way you could actually do it. So you just put the balloon on the machine. You press down and you can inflate 2 at a time. Now you can either tie them or tie them together. It's really your choice. For the balloon garland, you also need some smaller balloons because they have to like fit in all the spaces. So don't do them all big. This is about 30 balloons that I inflated for the garland. I just used a couple different shades of blue, and then I got the baby shark balloons too. I'm using this. This is a balloon garland tape. So you can just get this from Dollar Tree. So you have to thread them through the hole, okay? And then don't put them on every single hole because you'll just find that when you put them up, they get like a little bit smushed. So I also don't put every single balloon on right now. I'll do like maybe like 80% of the balloons, and then when I put it up, then I fill in some of the gaps. I got the balloons onto my garland, but I also wanted to add some like seaweed to the backdrop, so I just used streamers and twisted them and taped them in place to make them look like seaweed. These balloons have these little holes here, so you can thread through a ribbon or a string, and it makes it a lot easier to hang them up. I just used tuck pins in the wall to put these sharks up. I had to rearrange them a bit to figure it out, and then the same thing with the balloon garland. Once you get the garland up, you can kind of see if there's gaps. So here I definitely need some. And then you can see also on this side I need some. So that's why I don't put the balloons all the way to the end, so that you have some extra give. And then just eyeball it to fill in the balloon arch. So I ended up putting them all close together, and I think they look a lot better like that. And all the balloon arch up there looks really good. Just have to clean up the space. I love doing crafts at a home birthday party. I find that if you don't keep the kids busy, there's just a lot of running and noise, so it's good to have some activities planned as well. So I'm doing this really cute craft, and it's with a paper plate. I just made these shapes in Cricut Design Space, and I used a Cricut maker. I don't have one of these, but my local library does, and it's really inexpensive. It's like $1 a sheet, so I think I printed all the supplies for this for just under like, $5, and then I just got paper plates from the dollar store, and we're gonna do a really fun craft with this. Definitely check out your local library to see if they have a Cricut machine. I know a lot of them in Ontario definitely do. Here are the fins. Watch me peel it off. Isn't that so cute? Me and Sabrina tested one of these sharks out. I just wanted to make sure that everything would look good, and it was actually so cute. I love making at-home cakes. I think it's a really special memory for your kids when they get older to remember that, their mom made a cake for them every birthday party. I picked up these really inexpensive baby shark bath toys, and I'm gonna use them to decorate the cake. So I'm using box cake mix because all kids like it and it tastes pretty good. Here's the thing about the at-home cake. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's really all about having fun. So I just baked 2 9-inch cakes. One of the things is that I find that box cake mix and also the icing is just super sweet. So I like to cut the sweetness of the icing down. So in the cake icing, I actually added in just regular cream cheese to cut all that sweetness. And then I'm gonna do like an ocean theme, so I had different shades of blue. And here's a tip, when you're putting your frosting into your piping bag, put it into a large glass. As you can see, the cake decorating wasn't going exactly as planned. I just didn't mix in the cream cheese into the frosting that well. Next time I would do this, I would use like my actual mixer to make sure it gets a really good blend. The cake is not exactly turning out how I wanted to. Like, the color gradient looks good, but I can't get a smooth finish because the cake is a little bit crumbly. So I got a couple things just to kind of like spruce it up. So I got these. I think these are like really cute, just little like seashell things. And then I think I'm gonna write something. So I got this like little mat and these like colored chocolates. So maybe I'm gonna write like baby Sabrina or Sabrina Shark two because she's turning 2. I think it'll be cute. So I'm looking at my cake and I'm trying to figure out what the best side is because that's like the side you want facing outwards. So I think it's like this side, and that's where I'm gonna start like decorating it. These little candy toys are like saving this cake because it was looking pretty bad in my opinion. I melted this chocolate in the microwave. I just did it on like 30 seconds each, and then I would like mix it and stop again just to make sure it wouldn't burn. And then I'm filling in the letters I need. You actually need a very, very small amount of the chocolate. Like, I have so much left over here, but just so you know, like, you probably need like less than this for the entire serving. Actually, this is looking really cute. I'm glad I went with this idea. I add these baby shark toys to the top and they're so cute. They can also be used as bath toys, so I know Sabrina will love them. What's awesome about these letters is that you can use them to write anything, so you could personalize the message. So cute! Oh my gosh, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Sabrina Shark doo 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 doo. Sabrina Shark doo doo. Cute. I love it. So cute. Another game I wanted to make was kind of like a pin the tail on the donkey game, except you're actually pinning a birthday hat on baby shark. So I drew a baby shark, and I just drew this by looking at the balloons. And I used, cardboard poster board from the Dollar Tree, and I cut it out and glued it on. Now the only thing I would say is don't use Elmer's liquid glue because it made that weird outline and I ended up peeling it off. So just use like a glue stick instead. This just goes to show you don't need a ton of money to have a really cute birthday. This baby shark looks adorable. For party favors, I got these really cute baby shark cups, and inside I just put a couple of chocolates. I also got these really cute baby shark coloring books. This was from the Dollar Tree. And I got these little like mini etch-a-sketches. So I think that's like a really cute party favor. Now I couldn't find like gift bags that were gonna be big enough to hold the coloring books. So I just got these size gift bags. And then I got kind of lucky because I got these gift bags. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out the baby sharks and then I'm gonna like glue them on each gift bag. So it's kind of in the baby shark theme. I couldn't find like small baby shark themed gift bags that would also hold like the coloring books. So the whole idea is keeping this birthday party under budget, and I don't know why, but licensed gift bags are so expensive, so that's why I opted to just do this. I would rather just get a few things that the kids are really gonna enjoy, so that's why I opted to get like this little etch-a-sketch, the coloring book, and the cup that they can drink from. My friend recently hosted her son's birthday party and they played Pass the Parcel, and this is such a fun game. So you basically just wrap a gift, like a prize, in lots of different layers, and you want to make sure every layer is different, and the kids sit in a circle, and when the music stops they peel off one layer. Like, I remember playing this as a kid and it was so much fun, but I totally forgot about it until we went to this birthday party. In the baby shark theme, I'm also going to have a fishing game. Now this is kind of high risk because it's the winter time, and yes, this could make like a lot of mess, but I thought this would be so fun for the kids. So I got these really cute fishing rods with the magnetic fish and ducks and lobsters and stuff, and we're gonna fill this up for the party. I put down a drop cloth to make sure that the kids wouldn't make too much of a mess. We're ready for the party. Doesn't the decor look so good? I'm really happy with how this backdrop turned out, and especially this cake. It just looks so cute. It's right in that baby shark theme, and I know Sabrina will freak out when she sees it. The baby shark craft was so much fun for the kids. It was easy to do for all age levels because I had kids from 2 up to 8, and they had so much fun taking these home. The fishing game was a huge hit. The kids had so much fun. We ended up doing it as tournament style. I was worried that one of the kids might fall into the pool, but they didn't, and it didn't even make that much of a mess. Pasta parcel was a lot of fun for the kids. There was so much competition as to who wanted to open the parcel. Pin the hat on Baby Shark was a huge hit. The kids got so competitive, and I used stickers for the top so the kids could easily get their Baby Shark hat onto the shark. Thanks for diving into Sabrina's Baby Shark birthday bash with me. I hope you had a fantastic time celebrating this special day under the sea. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time for more fun and budget DIYs.